Hey guys, Sam from 3D here. In this short video, I would like to show you our add-on Feed Buddy. This add-on is to Characters Library. You can use it with the Characters Library, but you can use it also separately. The only difference is the price. We want to give back to our community, to people who believed in us, who bought the full package. So those people who bought the full package of Characters Library, this big package for $79 right now, but it can change in the future, it can go higher. For those people, we are giving discount of 50%. So if you have Characters Library, the big one, you can get 50% off of every add-on. And I think this is pretty cool, and this is for you guys, for the community. So let's get to it. What is inside? So we have renders and source files. Let's take a look on the renders. Here we have the license. The license is the standard what we have for all our libraries. I will post a link to the description so everybody can take a look on this. It's pretty basic. You just can't resell the source files or put our libraries on the marketplace and resell it. But you can use it for your clients and for multiple clients and so on. But it has to be, every time it has to be different work. That's the idea. Cool, so let's take a look on the renders. We have female and male. For the female, we have 224 items. This is how it looks like. So we have different color schemes, different hairs, different facial expressions, different clothes, and also different poses. You can combine them. It's pretty easy to do, and I will show you how to do it in the tutorials. I will talk about them later. So this is how it looks like. Right, there are so many cool things. Here is, for example, karate. Here is wrestling, and also with the pose. Here is basketball, and also we have baseball. I think this is pretty cool, and it looks pretty nice on the website, apps, and on different mediums. So now the same for the characters. So we have the same clothes for female and male. They have different colors, maybe different materials. So here is, for example, the American football. I think this is pretty cool, right? Cool, let's take a look on inside source files. Here is the license and also the tutorials. The tutorials we created for you. So let's take a look on the tutorials. The tutorials are easy to follow. They are for people who are new in Blender. So for example, they can go from the how to navigate in Blender, how to change the pose, how to change the camera view, how to render things, and so on. So if you are new to Blender, feel free to check them out, because after 30 minutes or 1 hour, you can pretty decently understand how you can customize our things. And it's pretty cool because you have so much options inside 3D, and I think this is worth trying to get into this, because then you will open a new world. It's crazy how big it is. Cool. Then we have another tutorial which is much longer, but everything is inside. So from the beginning to the end, it's about characters, but the same things apply to the feed body. Cool, so this is about the tutorials. Let's go inside the source files. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Here is fully rigged face, and also body is rigged. So you can do any pose you want. Then we have inside the generator, we have different types of hairs. Let's take a look, for example, here it is. I will change the color. So here, this is how it will look like in the render. It's pretty cool. Also the objects are inside. So this is how you can change the characters, and then you can render them. And here are the different clothes. So, right? You can combine even the poses, and this is quite fun. You can be super creative with this. Also, you have different facial expressions. So for example, this is shocked, and it's super easy to play with. So I will change the pose, and here in the sport poses you have T-pose, soccer, hockey, and so on. So for example, I want the soccer one, and here it is, right? So this is how easy it is to play with that. Cool. Let's take a look on the female. Okay, so this is the female. So now she has the business outfit, but it can be easily changed. So as I mentioned, the hairs are different. So let's take a look, for example, on the hairs, right? What is cool also about this, you can reuse the hairs from the characters, the original characters, and also the other things from the character, also the assets. The only thing is that you need to play a little bit with this and a little more work, but it is possible definitely. So this is, I think it's pretty cool that you can combine these libraries, you can play with them, you can even get more stuff and squeeze all of the things. It's cool that they are working together. That was it. If you have any question, please reach out to me at samuel@3d.design. If you want to take a look on our characters library and what is inside there, go to characters.design. If you want to learn more about our other 3D libraries, so you can combine, for example, animals and characters, or you can do some branding stuff, definitely go to the 3d.design. There is so much cool stuff and we are progressing, so we are getting better, so there will be only better stuff. Thank you so much, have a nice day, stay creative, and bye.